So yeah, I just want to film what I got. So I got secret sales. Um, it's a deal where Melbourne secret warehouse sales or whatever. You get 50 pieces of makeup for 30 pieces of makeup for $50, and there's a perfume box as well where you get 10 perfumes for $50. So just very quickly, these are the perfumes that I got. Kimberly Nude, never heard of them. I will try one with you, and Hands for Her. So that's pretty good. You get 10 for about 50. Gossip for a Girl. Viva Las Vegas Fabulous. Ferrera Chic Lyon. Donna Bella. Floral. Rose Bloom. Dream Girl. Toy. And Viva Las yep, whatever. So I'm gonna try this one. And what I'll do is I'll flip the camera around so you can see my reaction after I spray it. Let's have a look at the box. Oh wow. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, this is like velvet, feels velvety. So this is the bottle. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me just put the TV there. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So there's the lid. And I'll just flip it around. Okay. Someone said they're crap, so I hope to God they're not crap. But here I go. I just had a dermabrasion facial, if you're wondering why my skin is looking amazing. It's not bad. It's quite nice. Yeah. It's got like a nice florally smell. It's lovely. Okay. So you can gift them or keep them, whatever. So this is my second makeup box that I'm I was a bit disappointed with the first, so hopefully this one's better. So let's see what we got. Got some sponges, some face wipes, makeup cotton pad removers. I think I got this one with the last one. In the note, I put a note saying I like eyeshadow palettes. Give me an eyeshadow palette. You never gave me one last time. So they gave me this last time and they gave me that again. Goat's milk and honey. God, this is more of a skincare than an eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Body Illuminator, Radiant Glow for any skin tone, light reflecting particles. Okay, I've got a hot date. Scissors, curved scissors. Nail clippers. Okay, I told them I'm very light skin in the comments. I put very light skin and want a colorful big eyeshadow palette, and I get a natural rose. Does that look like my skin color? My face is so white, like that is not my skin color. Oh, jeez. Anyway, it's a. What else have we got? we have hand sanitizer. Where's the bloody makeup? Oh my god, how much skincare is in here? Yeah, I got one of these, so another one's awesome. They gave me 2 of these in the last one. Okay, we got a BB cream, Maybelline Satin Dream BB cream. This colour looks so dark. I have to piece the lid to open it, but I'll just quickly put the lid back on and keep looking. Okay, cheap ass looking lipstick. It's that Maybelline. I like the colour. Yes, I didn't have any nail polishes last time. This is a step 2 top coat, Sinful Shine. Sinful colour. Nivea. I don't know what that is. Some cream. Oh, that's cool. I needed some of these earbud thingies. So there's a mixture of cotton, earbuds and stuff. Oh, they already gave me one of these in the last one, so I've got another one. Cosmetic brush holder. Lip gloss. 12-hour moisture lip gloss. I need one, so let me quickly put some on my lippies. Okay. I'm just filming, sweetie. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. What else have we got? L'Oreal Bonjour Awakening Tint. So I think it's a tinted moisturizer. L'Oreal Paris. Can't believe there's no eyeshadows. Come on, guys. In both of them, I've had no eyeshadows. Face of Australia Flawless Light Diffusing Press Powder. That powder looks, let's see, it's way too dark on my skin. Look at my neck. I don't know. Okay. We got a Pears body wash. We got a Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable. This looks like might be my shade. Yeah, so we'll definitely that. Is it sticker taped? Anyway. We've got an eye pencil. I think I got this last time. This is Maybelline lightener. It says lightener. We got another advanced moisturising with rosehip and jojoba oils, natural lip colour, chapstick, Merlot. Interesting. And we've got an infallible L'Oreal Longwear Shaping Stick foundation. Oh, it's a foundation. Yeah, that looks like my colour. We also have a Velvet Dream Soft Matte Hydrating foundation, Maybelline. Coral Blush Moisture and Tint Chapstick. Yeah, they're good. Nail files, emery boards, dual-sided, 4-pack. Okay. And got a Garnier Volcano mask. And we got a NYX Total Control. Oh, this one's I don't know what that is. A foundation or something. So when you open it, it's found it like looks like that, in drops, like drops of foundation. What is it? So light 2 drops, medium 3 drops. With just a few drops, a Total Control Drop Foundation delivers sheer to full coverage and a velvety matte finish. Simply adjust the number of drops you use until your desired level of coverage is achieved. Oh, more drops, more coverage. Oh wow, okay. Seems like my colour. There we go. Not really, it's a bit dark. Oh wow. Ah, jeez. Hardly any makeup in this. This is very disappointing. The last one was better. In terms of makeup with this, like, it's fuck all. I've got that. Yeah, they really need to redress what they call it, because it's not a makeup box. They should call it skincare and makeup. Lots of foundations and BB creams. No eyeshadows. Wow. Contouring and highlight kit. Already got that. And the rest is just, yeah, one lipstick. So I basically got, I wouldn't call these makeup either, they're lip glosses, chapsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 9 of the 10, 11 products, and the rest are, well, chapsticks and, yeah, just what you see. Yeah. Alright. Let's try maybe another one. Maybe we'll try toy. Hello, Charlotte. Okay, so this one is called Toy, and this is how it looks. Okay. Wow. Spray it on this one. Oh, that's nice. I think I like this one more. It's nice. So I want to take my bracelet off. It's nice. Okay. Yeah, so I'd like to know what you think. Do you think it's worth it? Would you get one? Yeah. Okay. Bye. Thank you.